Are you ready for another fun lemon project? Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you to see this. We're going to make coasters. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we start with Dollar Tree burlap, and I just sketched out the shape of a lemon. I mean, it's just like an oval with a little nub, right? I mean, it's easy. I did it on a piece of cardboard, and I'm just cutting it out. Easy peasy. Don't get crazy about it. Lemons aren't perfect. It's okay if you're not. Don't stress. There it is. Ta-da! Now I have this adhesive back cork from Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to open that up, take the backer off it, and I'm going to stick it to our burlap. I know you're you're confused, and that's okay. Trust the process. All right, so we stick this on there. No, I didn't iron the burlap. Why would I iron the burlap? Because the sticky, we could smooth it out. It's fine. It'll work out. See, it worked out. We just smooth it. It's fine. We don't need no iron. Anyways, and then I cut out the cork and burlap. I just cut around it so that it is flush to the cork. Then I take my little lemon that I cut out earlier, and I am going to trace it with a pen on the cork part, on the cork side of our little mixture. And I do 4 of them. You do as many as you want. Ta-da! And then, obviously, we're going to cut them out. Use a good pair of scissors, by the way. That's a tip, because I didn't, and it was a little bit more frustrating. A little more frustrating. My Pioneer woman scissors did not do me as well as I had liked. Oh, well. But look how cute, right? And there's the burlap. I love it. All right, so I decided to use Dixie Belle paint, and what I did was put it on my brush. This is a chip brush from Dollar Tree, and I kind of dabbed it off on the paper, and then I just went over it. So that way, it is not filling in all the holes of the burlap. It's just staining all of the burlap. Does that make sense? Then I decided, you know what? It's going to get wet, and it's going to get all yucky, so we're going to have to put a sealant on it. So then I decided Dollar Tree now has dishwasher safe Mod Podge. So I'm going to take some of that, and I'm actually mixing it with the Dixie Belle paint because I really feel like it'll just add to the color, and it'll be, what's the word? It'll be sealed. Sorry. It'll be sealed. So that's what we're doing here. I'm doing the same process. I'm going a little bit more aggressively because I want to make sure that it really gets in there. All right. So then I have the chiffon ribbon. I love it. You could use regular ribbon. And I'm doing 3 little pieces. Now you could do a bow if you want, whatever, but I'm doing a messy bow. So I have a little piece of jute, and I'm just going to crisscross applesauce our pieces of chiffon. Easy peasy. Then we're going to just tie it in the center with our jute. We're going to cut off the excess, obviously, of the jute. Look at how cute. I love this chiffon ribbon. I just can't even. And then I put a little dollop of glue on the back, and I glue it onto our lemon and quit it right now. Like, stop it, right? I made a set of 4. Look at how cute they are. They're perfect for little coasters, right? And stay tuned. I will show you how I made the box too. But look at how cute they are. I love them. They're cheery, they're bright, and I'm going to use them all year long. Okay, friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.